We are here now in the area, sa place ng Lake Sevan. Pero grabe.
Savannah Bank Monastery is a monastery complex located in the Lake Sevan in Gegharkunik province of Armenia. Monastery was founded in 874 by Princess Mariam, the daughter of Ashot, the future king of Armenia.
Halos walang makita. Halos hindi mo na makita yung yung lake. So, sobrang lakas ng snow. Diyan sa part na yun may meron na dapat view ng lake. Pero dahil sobrang lakas ng snow, halos wala ka nang makita. So ayan na yung lake. Pero walang makita.
Where? Ayan?
Lake yan.
Ay, oo nga. Hindi ba pwedeng bumaba?
Hindi ko alam kung saan ang way.
Hindi ngayon.
Salbahe ka. Ito po ang mga bata naglalaro ng snow. Huwag niyong paambunan ng inyong mga bumbunan. Baka kayo sipunin. Ayan po ang nagawa nilang snowman.
Obese po siya, obese. Obese po siya, type 2. Pati paa. Paa mo ka. Yan. May manang po na nagagalit sa amin kasi gumagawa kami ng snowman. Yan. Video mo brasa.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our episode today. Don't forget to like and follow me in this account to see more of my future travel adventures. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next destination.